Hi and hello to everyone. Class 10 English. Grammar. Topic is reported speech. Hope you all have watched part 1, the warm-up video for this topic. This is part 2, introduction. Let's get into the topic. This is Preeti and she is Priya. Preeti is asking Priya, "Hi Priya, how are you?" Priya is replying, "I'm fine." Actually, a conversation takes place between these two girls. This man is listening to this conversation. As this man is listening to the conversation between these two girls, if we go and ask him about the content said by Priya, he will say, "Priya said to Preeti, I'm fine." Priya told Preeti that she was fine. Using these two methods, he can convey us the content said by Priya. But there is difference between these two sentences. Look at the punctuation marks. In the first sentence, he has used comma, quotes, full stop. But in the second sentence, he has used only one punctuation mark, that is full stop. Again, in the first sentence, if we look at the words, I am fine, these are the words actually spoken by Priya. But in the second sentence, it was modified as she was fine. So, here the reporter has modified the actual words. He has reported the words. In the first sentence, he is repeating the words. In the second sentence, he is reporting the words. The first sentence is said to be in direct speech and the second sentence is said to be in indirect speech. The other name for direct speech is quoted speech as it has some quotes. The second sentence in indirect speech, that sentence is said to be reported speech. So, from this minute, we are not going to use the word direct speech and indirect speech. Instead, we are going to use quoted speech and reported speech. Okay, fine. The content can be conveyed in two different methods. One is quoted speech, the other is reported speech. Both the sentences are correct. Then, what is the need to change that to reported speech? What is the need for reported speech? Why can't it be in quoted speech? Let us take the same example. Here the conversation is between these two girls, but we are asking the man who is observing about the conversation. We are not asking it to Priya. If the man says, "I am fine," whom does this "I" refer to? It will refer the man. Actually, this "I" refers to Priya. If he says, "I am fine," we may misunderstand that the man is fine. So, to avoid such confusion, here he used the reported speech. Further, it can be used to report incidents and used in stories for the conversation between characters. Look at this picture. In this picture, the teacher says to the students, "Don't talk." This girl is watching it or listening to it. If we ask the girl about the teacher's instruction, she will say, "The teacher said to the students, don't talk." The teacher instructed the students not to talk. In the first sentence, the girl is repeating the words said by the teacher. In the second sentence, she is reporting the words said by the teacher. First sentence is said to be in quoted speech. Second sentence is said to be in reported speech. With these two instances, we can get into the topic. So we have seen two examples. From these two examples, we get two sentences for quoted speech and two sentences for reported speech. In quoted speech, Priya said to Preeti, "I'm fine." The teacher said to the students, "Don't talk." The sentences for reported speech are, Priya told Preeti that she was fine. The teacher instructed the students not to talk. It's a reminder, in quoted speech, the words are being repeated. In reported speech, the words are being reported. So in quoted speech, we are repeating the words. In reported speech, we are reporting the words. Let us learn the difference between quoted speech and reported speech. In quoted speech, actual words are used. In reported speech, no actual words. There are some changes. In quoted speech, the words given are actually said by the speaker. In reported speech, the words are said by the reporter. In quoted speech, quotation marks are found. In reported speech, no quotation marks are found, only a period found at the end. The other name for quoted speech is direct speech. The other name for reported speech is indirect speech. In quoted speech, the speaker point of view. In reported speech, there is a listener point of view. Thank you all.